Dan from Floatlight here with
Jonathan.
And today we're doing a unboxing from a company called TaoTronics who really hooked us up with the massage gun.
That's right.
And we're just so honored to be chosen to be able to review this product.
So TaoTronics sent us an email asking us if we'd like to review some of their products to put on our YouTube and Facebook page. And we're just a humble float center, and of course we were like, why not? And the one thing that kind of stood out to us was the massage gun. We do offer massage therapy here at Floatlight, and we've seen these things at some stores. So today we're going to go through what our thoughts are on the product in the most unbiased way possible. Although I'll tell you right now, when something relieves the pain in your arms, your legs, your back, it's really hard to not love it. But we actually have a real life massage therapist, one of our float guides, Rachelle, and she'll kind of give you her thoughts on it as a massage therapist. So stay tuned and check out the review.
Oh. Thank you, TaoTronics.
So this is the TaoTronics massage gun, and we wanted to do a little unboxing. I've never done an unboxing before, so yeah, let's see what's inside. I'm excited to check it out.
Ooh,
look at the
carbon fiber
beautiful
casing.
Carbon fiber casing that it comes with. Love it. So we did kind of have a chance to check it out. It actually is pretty cool. So this TaoTronics gun, it comes with everything you could possibly need.
Oh yeah.
For your wellness in mind, including the gun itself. Now this is a rechargeable 24 volt 1 amp. It includes the adapter. It charges actually pretty quickly. On the bottom here there's an on off button, but the best part about it is all these attachments, which I don't know what half of them do, but like this is just a straight up foam ball.
It's 6 different adjustable heads.
Yeah, so we'll try it out.
And what I really like about this design is it has 2 different power buttons, one on the bottom and then one up here to actually put it on.
Not recommended on the head.
Yeah. I find it's really good on the forearms and like your shins too. Anywhere where you find the bone. Yeah, but Rachelle could talk more about where you should start doing a massage at home. So we have here Rachelle, and she's our licensed massage therapist. So how would you recommend someone perform a personal massage at home with this massage gun?
Well, this massage gun is amazing. It fits right in the palm of your hand, and you can get just about any area of your body. And also, if you have a partner and they might not want to actually use their hands to massage, this is amazing for that because it's super easy.
Nice.
You can lay on your back and your partner can just rub it along your problem areas. But also, if you like to do self-massage, you can just place it at the speed you want and rub it wherever it feels good. It's really awesome because wherever you feel the best, you can just leave it there and you have total control of the gun. And also, it's really good for loosening like the fascia and bringing in that circulation and kind of shocking the muscles into relaxing too. So,
is there any places you would not recommend putting it? Like on your temples, avoid that?
yeah, I'd probably avoid that because your eyes will start shaking rapidly.
Oh.
So, but just do what feels best for you. So.
The TaoTronics massage gun comes with 6 different accessory heads. And do you know how any of these would be used? Like maybe this one?
Well, this one could be used as sort of a scraping tool, like a guasa tool. And so scraping is also really good for the fascia to break up those adhesions and loosen that connective tissue. So you could just take it off, pop it on. And then you can kind of do like a scraping motion,
Nice.
which will feel really awesome. And then this one will maybe be used for broader surfaces to
like
get more
the traps and the shoulders. Right. So as we're progressing more into the age of technology and different fields and things in the landscape and environment is changing, would you see a tool or any similar tools like this being used in the professional sense as a licensed massage therapist? Would you ever use a gun like this?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
It's definitely good for like warming up that tissue, getting the body ready for some really deep work.
Nice.
And so any guest that comes here, bring it up to me or your massage therapist, and we can definitely start off with the massage gun to help loosen that muscle.
So on a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate this device?
I would say it's about a 9.
Wow.
Yeah. I would say it's really nice. It's super quiet. It's aesthetically pleasing.
Oh, yeah.
And it works really well because it has a ton of speed settings. The only thing that's different with these guns than a regular massage is you're kind of doing it and it's like a tool, so it's not really the same as using your hands and being able to feel exactly like what's going on.
Yeah.
To sort of manipulate that better. But it's definitely pretty solid. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how I would rate this, because this is the first massage gun I've ever used. I've seen the market blow up with all different types of brands, and I didn't know the quality was going to be such a high standard, and you could put the level up all the way to 9, and it's so powerful. It's not like a cheap gun. It's very very durable. It's a beautiful piece of technology. I like the bottom, the ring around the bottom. It pulsates when it charges it lets you know if it's charging, and I just love the overall design. It's a beautiful product, and I really like I would really like to check out more of what TaoTronics has to offer.
And I actually have like one of those older home disc ones, you know, with the 2 balls.
Yeah.
And it's kind of like a handle, and I actually like that one better because there's a little more options, because that one, this one also doesn't have a cord, so it's rechargeable and you can bring it anywhere.
Oh yeah.
And the one with the cord, I want to use it during massage sometimes, except, you know, it has to be plugged into the wall, and there's only 2 settings.
Yeah, and that could be a safety hazard too.
Yeah.
Being plugged into the wall. So, at home, if you are interested in trying out this product and seeing the high quality for yourself, use our promo code that's located right here. Go to www.taotronics.com, and here's the promo code. Woo! TaoTronics, just thank you so much for sending this product out, letting us review this beautiful product. It's an amazing device, and I can't wait to see what else you have to offer.